Hello, my name is Cole Terlong, and this is my video on Project 2.4 Data Logger. So to start, I'll briefly explain some major components and concepts in the circuit. So to start with EEPROM. EEPROM is the main focus of the circuit, and it stands for Electrically Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. It is non-volatile, meaning the memory is not lost when the power is turned off, and you can read the memory content forever without damaging the part. It takes about 5 milliseconds to properly save the memory to the chip. The other major component of the circuit is the TC74 temperature sensor. It is serially accessible and is suited for projects that have low budget and size due to its low cost and tiny form factor. The component takes the temperature reading in Celsius and converts it into digital data, which can be read by a microcontroller. The circuit's goal is to be able to sense the temperature and then log that temperature in the EEPROM, along with the time it was recorded at. So then you're able to go back to the EEPROM and see what temperature it was at a specific point in time. So I'm just going to go a bit into my code here. So the first few lines include necessary libraries to find the addresses of the RTC and the temperature sensor and set a degree symbol for temperature display. The code initializes the serial communication in the wire library, which is used for I2C communication with the RTC and the temperature sensor. The setup function initializes the wire library and runs a loop to collect temperature data for 10 seconds. And then with this loop, the code first sends a request to the RTC for current time, reads the seconds value, sends a request to the temperature sensor for the current temperature, and stores the temperature value in the EEPROM memory. The temperature value is stored for each second of the 10-second loop, and the code also prints the temperature value and time in the serial monitor. So the write EEPROM function is used to write data to the EEPROM memory, and the read EEPROM function is used to read data from the EEPROM memory. These functions take the device addresses, EEPROM addresses, and data as input parameters. The BCD to DEC and the DEC to BCD functions are used to convert binary codecimal BCD values to decimal and vice versa.